Yeah, it's all stickers coming off in like bits and bats. I'm surprised it's just not peeling off, you know. You know, because it's obviously heat. From when I've just drove here. Oh, hang on, it's coming now. brand new bit of brake caliper underneath where the sticker's been. I don't think I'm going to match the clean bit up, you know. I don't think I'll be able to match the clean bit up. These are some beefy brakes, these, aren't they? They need these with how fast my car is. Yeah. Yeah. Let's have a look what stuff we're using today. I have to document it for the YouTube guys, isn't it?
The YouTube guys.
Hammerite metal paint. Ron Seal. Does exactly what it says on the tin. Remember that advert back in the day where he's painting his fence? Ron Seal. Wooden fence paint.
Yes, Ron.
Oh god. Right, that's 3 minutes of cleaning a caliper. I'll come back when we're painting it. You what?
Only giving it a
light coat at first.
Yeah.
That's what we sort of sussed out yesterday, innit? And
that coat stick.
yeah. As you're putting it on, this paint looks thicker than the one we got yesterday. And we're using a children's brush, courtesy of the kids, for those nooks and crannies, lad.
Crooks and crannies.
Crooks and crannies, that's it. Right, we'll get that first coat done. So what bits are we painting on this one? God, it's like watching Van Gogh, isn't it? But with 2 ears.
Roll ferrets.
Roll ferrets. Using them jokes.
Guess what it is, yeah?
You ever doing this as well? Don't do it on a windy day, it's bloody freezing. This is like just the first coat, I've not even finished the first coat yet. So, just sort of, all I'm doing is like just dabbing it. And then I'll use the small brush just to do all that, and inside. Alright, I'll get back to you when I've fully finished this first coat. Alright, right, that's the first coat done. And just got like a light coat, just got a bit of paint on the hood there, but it doesn't matter. I said doesn't matter if you get it a bit on the brake as well, because that's a backing plate, don't forget. So yeah. Oh, missed a bit, I'll do that. It's really helpful having one of these small brushes as well, you know. These are gonna look sick. Right, let's have a look at the back as well. That's gone on a bit thicker. That need to. That's running away, lad. It's running away. I must say the back one looks better than the front one. This seems to be going on. Like it looks smoother, doesn't it?
Yeah, looks better.
Front one's gonna need 3 coats, I think.
This is probably out of it. I put a light coat on first,
Yeah.
and then just left it, let it dry, and then obviously you've gone back to it.
Yeah.
Put the lid back on that light, we can get some heat.
Yeah.
So that gives it a proper.
Break time. That thin bit is hard to do.
That
you know.
will need another coat.
Yeah. It looks mint on the camera though.
Good size, that's big, isn't it? Big caliper. Bigger than mine up front.
They're 6 pots, Sam.
Yeah, 6
Yeah.
parts.
6 pots for.
Yeah.
Well, the car's turbocharged, isn't it? So. 3, 2, 1. Cleaned up. Right. This side going on a bit easier. Yeah. How are you doing first coat? Just like a light one? Are you dabbing it or like painting it on?
Dib dab.
Dib dab. The red paint on your car went on a lot easier yesterday, I must say.
I'm good.
I don't know why. But this has took, on the other side, 3 coats, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We felt, you know, yeah, that's good enough. The red was only 2 coats, where it was mint. Forget the after shot of your car from yesterday now, from Instagram. Well, they have gone glossy as well, haven't they?
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see it on camera. It looks quite dark. I'm not too sure. There we go. Yeah, turn brightness up. Can you see how glossy it is? Oh, that's too bright. Too bright, that lad. Oh, I say the red looks better. The red paint looks better through silver wheels. Yeah, definitely. Like Brembo, isn't it? Right, let's get on to doing this. It's freezing, innit?
Cool.
Oh god. What I've always wanted to do is try and do one of them, you know, them clicky finger things for before and after. Try and go on there. Hang on. Let's see how it works out.
One hour later.
Right, yeah, all done now. So let's simulate this. All done. Yeah, what time is it now? 2:10. So it's took about 3 hours to do 3 coats on every single side. Just doing one side at once because it was just windy and we were getting cold. So yeah, looks sweet. Hopefully the footage turns out right. I just did a little rolling shot as well. So see you in a bit.